Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is, this is a 10 metre hose, obviously available in 15, 20s, whatever length you're asking for really. Now this here ends, you'll see we've got a standard hose, rubber hose, so when we lay this out it lays straight and it lays flat. One wire hose, rubber, high pressure 250 bar. The ends themselves, we've got ends on here at both ends, and what's simply happening is this is a universal hose with universal fittings. So this is for the Nilfisk, this is for the new core setup core machines, the core 120, 130, 140. One end goes into the gun, the other end goes into the machine itself. The ends themselves, so if you ever change the machine itself or anything else like that, you can just change it, take the ends out. If you want to go for a Qwashers hose, we can put a Qwashers end into there instead. The Qwashers are built exactly the same way as what these are, and this is for the Nilfisk core 120, 130, 140 machines. I'm fed up in the marketplace of getting hoses built with ends built into them, and what it means is every time you change a machine or a machine fails, you want to go for a different type of machine, you can't do that. It's got to be for that machine and that machine only as that hose. I'm trying to change them days and save customers money than buying hoses. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So that is for the Nilfisk core pressure washers. Thank you very much.